next point is discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Random variable can assume countable number. Next point is discrete random variable. Random variable can assume countable number. Next is identify question. Identify random variable. Write down range. Write down range. First is an economist is interested the number of unemployed graduate in the town of population 1 lakh. Now just to discuss our discrete random variable. Discrete random variable can assume countable number. Here an economist is interested the number of unemployed graduates in the town of population 1 lakh. Now here is countable number. Therefore this is discrete random variable. Countable value. Therefore this is discrete random variable. Range we have to write. Range is equal to, range starts from 1, 2, 3, go up to 1 lakh. This is the range. There may be unemployed graduate 1 or 2 go up to 1 lakh. Now this is the answer. Discrete random variable 1, 2, 3 range goes up to 1 lakh. This is the range. Next is the question. Second, the person on the high protein diet is interested gain of weight in a week. We have to discuss about is random variable is discrete or it is continuous. Now the person on the high protein diet is interested gain of weight in the week. Now here there is no countable value. No countable value, therefore this is continuous random variable. Random variable cannot assume countable number, therefore this is continuous random variable, have no range. No range is there, this is the answer. Continuous. Question: the probability distribution of random variable x is as follows. The probability distribution of discrete random variable x random variable x is as follows. X px 1 2 3 4 5 6 k 2k 3k 4k 5k 6k. First is determine k. Second is find p at x less than or equal to 4. P at less than x less than 4. P at x greater than or equal to 3. This probability distribution is given. Determine all these values. First k2k 3k 4k 5k 6k 5k. Determine k. P x less than or equal to 4. P x 2 less than x less than 4. P x greater than or equal to 3. Now for this we have to take summation pi is equal to 1. That is, take summation pi values. Now these are pi values. Take their sum k 2k 3k 6k 10k 15k and this is 21k is equal to 1. So that k is equal to 21 to this side 1 upon 21. These are pi values. Take their sum summation pi k plus 2k 3k 3k 6k 10k 15k and 21k. 21k is equal to 1. K equal to 1 upon 21. This is correct. Next is P, x less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4, that means we have to take x values equal 4 also, that means this value we have to take from this less than, that means this sided values. P, x less than or equal to 4, these are x values less than or equal to 4, that means 4 we have to take, and less than, that means all these values, take their sum, 4k, 3k, 7k, 9k, 10k. 4k, 3k, 7k, 9k, 10k. 10k, 10 into k is 1/21. Final answer, product in numerator 10, at the denominator product 21, and this is the answer, 10/21. Easy. Next is P. X lies between 2 and 4. It is less than 4, greater than 2. X lies between 2 and 4. X is less than 4, greater than 2. Greater than 2, that means this is less than 4, that means this 3k only. X is greater than 2, that means 3 less than 4. Now this is the value. This is the value 3. So 3k we have to find is equal to 3k. 3 into k is 1/21. Finally it is 3/21. 3/21 is correct answer. P, x greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 3. Equal to 3, that means this value, and greater than, that means all these values. X greater than or equal to 3. Equal to 3, that means this value we have to take, and greater than 3, that means all these values we have to take. Therefore, with this value, 3k plus 4k 7k plus 5 12k plus 6 18k. 7k 12k 18k. 18k is 1/21. 18/21, this is the answer. 18/21. 18/21, this is the answer. So what are the terms we discussed today? What is the PMF? Then what are the conditions? That means Pi greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1, summation Pi 1, countable values. Then it is discrete random variable, range. Then we discuss about continuous random variable and all such types of questions, finding k. These are the conditions. Look carefully and solve. All these we have discussed today. So remember all these conditions. Pi must be greater than 0. So Px is regarded as PMF. Then summation Pi. This is the another condition. Now countable values, discrete random variable, range we have to write. Continuous random variable cannot assume countable values, and all such types of questions in which look these carefully conditions and then solve.